Hi everyone, I'm Akanksha and this is Infi Desires Doodle. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you'll get notified. In today's video, we are going to see very easy ways to trace your drawings either from your phone or from a magazine paper, etc. Let's get started. So the first way we'll trace is using your phone. If you want to trace something from your phone, you can download this app called as the Tracer Lightbox app. Of course, this is not a sponsored post. This is just a very useful app. So first thing I do is I increase the brightness of the phone and I go to this app wherein I select the picture which I want to trace. So here I'm selecting a Ganpati Bappa picture and then I am going to lock the screen. So what this app does is it ensures that जब भी आप trace करने वाले हो, your screen doesn't move and the brightness helps in seeing through the paper. So this is how you can very easily trace your drawings from your phone. And before we go, I want to make a disclaimer here that this video is not to encourage any form of copying or cheating of any of the artist's work which is available online or in any other form. This is just to show a few smart ways in which you can draw and take inspiration. Kindly always give credit if you are using somebody else's work. Rather take permission and then give credit where it is absolutely due because it's their hard work. So the second way in which you can replicate or trace your drawing is with the help of a carbon paper. I'm sure ये हम सब ने बचपन में किया है. तो आप आपके प्लेन पेपर के ऊपर कार्बन पेपर रखिए और उसके ऊपर आपका पिक्चर रखिए and just tape it down so that it doesn't move, and then with your pencil you can draw the outlines जैसे आपको picture चाहिए. With the help of that carbon print, वो आपके blank paper पे exactly what you draw, it will be traced. So this is again another very simple way. इसमें आप कोई भी न्यूज़पेपर क्लिपिंग से, मैगजीन से, if you know what you want to take any inspiration and then draw out something on your own, तो आप ऐसे अलग अलग डिज़ाइंस को ट्रेस कर सकते हैं. दिस इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल एंड अ वेरी इजी मेथड. So I usually use this method when I have to make something and उसके बहुत सारे copies मुझे बनाने हैं. So I do it rough in once and then वो same design मैं हर जगह पे on my cards, on my bookmarks, then I trace it. So it's a very easy method. जो नेक्स्ट हैक है या द नेक्स्ट वे टू ट्रेस इज़ इफ़ यू हैव अ डार्क पेपर, तो उस पर अगर आप डायरेक्टली ट्रेस करेंगे पेंसिल यूज़ करके या कार्बन पेपर, देन दैट विल नॉट वर्क. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज सिंपली यू कैन टेक अ chalk and then on the flip side, that is at the back side, you put a layer of chalk entirely and then using your pencil अगेन जैसे कार्बन पेपर पे हमने मार्क आउट किया था सब कुछ, योर अगेन यू कैन मार्क एवरीथिंग एंड देन वो एक पूरा ट्रेस हो जाएगा ऑन योर डार्क बैकग्राउंड. डोंट वरी अबाउट द आजू बाजू का जो थोड़ा बहुत वो स्मज हुआ है. यू कैन लेटर ऑन रब इट आउट एंड आफ्टर ये आपका जो पूरा ट्रेस हो जाएगा, यू कैन गो अहेड एंड डार्कन इट अगेन विथ योर chalk and this is how you can make for your background. Either you can use chalk or you can use paint, whichever you like or whichever you feel is comfortable. Now for the third hack, if you want to trace दो तीन जगह से आपको अलग अलग पिक्चर्स लेने हैं एंड यू हैव टू मेक योर ओन आर्ट वर्क टेकिंग इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम दिस. What you can do is you can use a butter paper or a tracing paper as it is normally called. उसको आप आपकी पिक्चर पे रख के you can trace it very easily. वो थोड़ा translucent है so you can very easily see through it and आप pencil से mark out कर सकते हैं. Again in this method there are two ways in which you can trace. जब आपका पूरा drawing बन जाएगा like whatever you want to trace, तो either on the flip side you can keep your paper on the page where you want to do and with the pencil ये पूरा ऐसे graphite से आप blacken out कर दो. If you do this, make sure to sharpen later, तो आपका पीछे background में आ जाएगा. Or else another way is you blacken it out and then again you draw it on that graphite, तो वो आपके pencil mark से आपके पेपर पे it will get traced out. So these are the different ways in which you can trace your drawings and make your own little creative artwork using or taking inspiration from different kinds of drawings. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. These are the 4 different ways in which you can trace your drawings and make your own beautiful artwork. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the share button, and do subscribe to my channel. Tell me what did you like the most in the comments below, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.